Good morning. Again and again, this was the Kerala High Court always interpret law for the benefit of the common people and the persons who approaches the court for remedy by filing litigations. That service still continued. Now yet another judgment which will help you, those who are dealing with consumer protection cases. As the other day I have referred a Supreme Court judgment wherein the Supreme Court said if there is no specific prohibition to do certain things, the court can exercise that power which was not prohibited with the available section. The same principle was applied here. AR 2021 Kerala 241 P&N Ceramics Pandarakalam Buildings Kottayam versus Isaac Sebastian Kadavil House Valliyakulam Changananjeri. They say under section 38.825 Consumer Complaint Issuance of Commission, Jurisdiction Commission constituted under Act have jurisdiction to issue commission for local inspection. Under section 38 there are several facilitating provisions enabling the commission, that means consumer forum, to appoint commission. But this section does not provide to send a commission for local inspection and to submit report. But the High Court of Kerala High Court said that what I have already referred, that that provision which was available only under Civil Procedure Code for appointment of commission. This High Court, Kerala High Court held that since there was no bar to appoint a commission for local inspection, the section 38.8 has got power to appoint commissions. Therefore, they say finally, if the object of the act be carefully examined, there may be cases where noting down the physical features may be very essential, and any amount of oral evidence may not be able to replace such noting down of physical features by competent person. Order 26, Rule 9 of the Code of Civil Procedure as such may not be applicable, but if the consumer fora, the state commission or the national commission as the case may be, these are satisfied that opinion of an expert, specialist, skilled person or any other person of like nature, and their opinion may be essential for proper adjudication of the dispute. Definitely, they can exercise such power for the purpose of appropriate decision making in relation to dispute. Therefore, here is the case when ceramic tiles was substandard, the consumer complainant filed an application to send a commission for inspect and report. So you have to apply this ratio and work out your remedy effective for your client before consumer forum. Best wishes. Happy Pongal. Happy Makara Sankranti. The Makara Sankranti is celebrated particularly North India, Maharashtra, Good Tel Gya or God Bola. That means take jaggery and that oil seeds. Yell we call in Tamil. And speak sweetly. That was the exchange of words given in North India when I was at there, North India. And Mahalakshmi, a Kalasam is being worshipped in almost all houses, and a very great festival today there, Makara Sankranti. Magaram is one of the 12 zodiac position of the movement, Earth and other planets movement within the area of stars, which were grouped 27 in number. And this Magaram From today onwards, the sun will rise from that particular area. Therefore, this is called this month of Magaram, Magara Sankranti, Thai in Tamil. Okay, best wishes.